We've got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler with a stripped axle spline and diff case. We're gonna be replacing that. So this is the results of having to put this thing back together. It was in here before. We did some ball joints on it, and that's when we discovered that the splines were twisted and broken. We had to bang this thing back together because they had to take it, had to get on the road. But they brought it back now, and that's why we're doing that axle. But it damaged the nut and the splines, and I'm glad that came off. Didn't have to pull out the torch or anything, so good to go. You can see here the damage to the splines, and we destroyed the seal getting it back in there last time, but really did a number on that. So inside of the diff is messed up too. We'll see that here in a minute. This side looks okay. No damage, but it went in and out easy last time too. So. Now they've got this thing separated out. You can see a little bit damage on the splines in there. It's not real bad. Probably could have cleaned it up and reused it if we were wanting to do that. But this is the best way, the longest lasting way. Let's put it that way. We're all finished up. Everything's back together. Even put fluid in it there, you can see real quick. Yes, I did clean the cover and the housing. I didn't do that on camera, but you know, you can't catch everything. So it should be good to go full of fluid. We'll take it out and make sure it works electronically. It should be good to go.